Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th day of January, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.56. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.2%. This equates to an average return of 0.1% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits at the lower end of a robust upward trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor of $240.16 be breached, it could signify a deceleration in the rate of increase and may serve as an early warning for a possible trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 11.4% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 10.23% to 20.48%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 43.68% over the coming year, with potential returns between 31.63% and 54.85%. This would translate to a price range of $319.47 to $375.81 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple brings the headline: Apple stock price up 0.202% on Wednesday. The Apple stock price increased by 0.202% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025. It rose from $242.21 to $242.70. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.53%, with a day low of $240.05 and a day high of $243.71. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.92% during this period. The volume of shares traded fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.85 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 6.69%, or $17.39, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, Apple faces significant challenges that may impact its stock price both in the short and long term. Indonesia has upheld a ban on the iPhone 16 sales, despite Apple's pledge of $1 billion aimed at local manufacturing. This setback arises from the government's insistence that Apple must meet a requirement for sourcing 40% of all content in devices from within the country. The inability to sell the latest iPhone in a growing market like Indonesia could threaten Apple's revenue growth prospects. Moreover, this situation is further complicated by an analyst downgrade from MoffettNathanson, who characterized Apple's outlook as decidedly unattractive, shifting the stock rating from neutral to sell. Such negative sentiment from analysts can lead to diminished investor confidence, particularly when combined with restrictions in lucrative markets. Finally, Apple is also under fire regarding its AI news summaries, which have been criticized for inaccuracies. This growing misinformation issue could harm the company's reputation, potentially affecting consumer trust in its products. Together, these issues portray a challenging landscape for Apple, likely reflecting a bearish sentiment in the near term, and the impact on its stock price could be quite pronounced amidst these ongoing struggles. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned Apple a sell rating with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. During the last trading day, volume decreased while prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Apple stock currently displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $245.68 and $243.91. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was initiated from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 6.3%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 161 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $233.85. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when support is tested. The stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is viewed as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.66, or 1.53%, between its highest and lowest prices. Throughout the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.73%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio falls within a typical range, which is often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at $2.36 per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $243.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $233.85. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted another insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Again, on the 16th of December, Jeffrey E. Williams sold 42,939 shares of common stock. On that day, he also sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 75,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.566. In total, insiders purchased 2,060,786 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple may underperform in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 10th of January, we expect Apple to open lower by approximately 55 cents, starting at a price of $242.15. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.